Hello. One way to get this wood up on my plateau is to put a screw in it. This video will be a bit longer, so apologize for that. And then you can put it on a ladder like this. The screw is holding it. So now let's see this plateau. I hope you can see it. Now let's go up. Now this ladder is super secured, and climbing on this ladder is a luxury because it's barely not moving. I used a additional wood and some F-clamps. Like always, they serve me very well. Now we reached our wooden basket. This is the look from the bottom. Well, it took me 3 days to build this, or one whole day and 3 afternoons, but now I am able to stay relaxed on my plateau. I look down. I am also using this for protection. I borrowed this from my dad. I have limited climbing experience, so this reduces the amount of adrenaline by 89%, I think. So now this is up here. Now the plan is to just a second. The plan is to put a rope as high as possible. I used a rock attached on this tiny rope for tomatoes, but it didn't fall down, so I will be hitting this with this pole and see if it does. If this not work, I will probably go climbing up there. Okay, so the plan is to cut this here. You see, this is a damaged tree already, so it's really not safe. But the height of the tree is quite big, so yeah, that's it for this video. I hope in the next one there will be more action. Well, see you later.